So that's how you make it. Basically, just if you're going to make it out of elder, you just want to make the hole bigger. Unless you can get a large enough piece of elder that you've only got to just pull the pith out the middle. If not, you have to make the hole bigger. And put your nails in around, leaving enough space for a squirrel to put its arm in. And all I've done is drilled a hole here, cleared that bit out, and that is to put a bit of string through to tie this off so it can be secured to something. And I'll show you basically how it works. You probably guess anyway, but so essentially that's it done. You know, you could just use a normal piece of wood, but a piece of elder, you've already got the beginnings of a hole, so you can do it. Or use the drill, but you could use a knife or an awl or something. And what you essentially do is you get a bit of bait and ram it down the back there as far as you can get, or you could bore this all the way through, stick your bait in, and then put some sort of plug inside it. And then what you'd hope is, you want your nails to be as sharp as you can be, so you might want to even sharpen nails before you do this. Because I was slightly blunting in the ends of them to make sure it didn't split the wood, but you really want sharper nails. And then the squirrel, or whatever animal, depending on what size you do this, will ram its arm in there to get to that bait at the back, and then trying to pull back out, it gets stuck on the nails. So a really simple trap if you've got nails, or you could do this out of bone even if you had it. And then once you've found the animal, just kill it, and then you'll probably have to cut its arm off. Well, that's what it says in the book I've seen. So pretty simple trap, easy to make if you've got the stuff. Alright, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.